Welcome back everybody to my channel that's returning. If you're new, I am the guy who reviews audio stuff that goes in your ears. I'm Septian. Today I got an unboxing. You can't see my face, but I'm grinning, man. I got a big smile on my face, okay? Because I just got some new earbuds. They finally came in the mail. If you follow me on Twitter, you probably know which earbuds these are. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, cut away from my body because I don't want to get stabbed. There we go. Go ahead and see what these are. I paid for these like back in like what, before St. Patrick's Day, and that's when they shipped. Look what I got. Ooh, look at that box. That's a nice box. Okay, what we got here? We got hybrid active noise cancellation up to 40 decibels. We got multi-microphone noise canceling technology for clarity calls. 10mm wool composite drivers. Yeah, wool, that sheep in here. Got IPX5 sweat and water resistant. Thank you, Earfun. Got a transparency mode that allows ambient sound. Intuitive touch controls, including the volume. Single earbud mode, left and right, and these are wireless charging compatible. Also, Earfun finally came out with an app, and as I'm recording this video and as they sent an email out to me, these are the only ones supported by the app. So they boasting a lot here. We got Bluetooth 5.2. I already know that he's going to have this, like, you know, the highest Bluetooth rating is going to be probably AAC. Earfun don't really do like aptX and aptX adaptive. Let me go ahead and get this plastic off here. Look at this. Oh man, the day has finally arrived. I thought I was going to have to go to Shenzhen and go get these things, man. I was like, bro, like, where are my earbuds at, man? Come on, you better give me my stuff or give me my money back. Cause I paid for these. I got these on like early bird. I think they were like 80 bucks. Like the sticker price, but if you got them early bird, they were like, what were they, $59 or $55, something like that. So you open it up, you get usual stuff. You get your user manual, you get a card. This is so you can download the app, and it's available on the Play Store and the App Store, and it's in Chinese and English. That's good. Let me see what else they got in here. Better sound, better life. This is how you can reach out to Earfun, let them know what you think about the earbuds, and no, they're not paying people for fake reviews. That's good. Okay, now let's see what we got. What else we got? It says, for the first time use, please charge the earbuds for 30 seconds to activate. All right. Oh, they look nice. Okay, let me take this plastic off here. See, this is important. So everybody be like coming in my comments, you know, thinking I'm tech support. Like, what's wrong with my earbuds? Why don't they work, bro? Well, charge them first. That's what's wrong with them. You didn't charge them. That's why it ain't working. I had that happen to me several times. Take the earbuds out because I couldn't wait to listen to the music. And once I charged them fully, they started working. So, you know, Earfun, they got that wireless, that Qi compatible technology. Let's see what else we get. Okay, we get a bag that is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. You're just gonna have to trust me. I'm not taking it out because I got like 50 of these things, like all over. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that in there. Let's see. Can you reseal? Okay. Now this I will open because I can reseal this back. Most companies, they'll put the silicone tips in a bag, and you cannot, once you open that bag, it's just, you can't reseal it. So yeah, this is, let me see, that's small and that's large. So the mediums are on there by default. That's great. Doesn't really matter because as soon as I get these things charged up, I'm gonna figure out what spin fits work with them best. Let me go ahead and put these back in here. I like that they use a resealable bag. That's very convenient. Okay, what else do we got? This is like a little like a spearheaded Q-tip that you can use to clean the earbuds out. I've already showed how you can clean your earbuds just with a Q-tip and some alcohol. But here's a card, if I can just get it out there. Yeah, this is basically showing you how to clean off the charging connectors and the protective screen. And they got it in English and Chinese. Very good. And put all that stuff to the side here. Okay, I think that's 30 seconds. Let's see. Okay, the buds themselves, they look like it's like a blue, like a dark blue color. It's matte on the bottom. It's weird that the charging port is like right here up front instead of on the back, but oh well. And the earbuds are kind of exposed. I kind of like this like brushed frosted aluminum looking thing. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, these look exactly like, you know what, okay, I'm gonna show you something. Here's some earbuds I recently bought. I thought these were brand new, but I went back and watched one of El Jefe reviews videos. He already reviewed these like a year ago, but whatever, I'm gonna review them. Okay, so these are the Feel CC Pro. You look how that light just came on when you open. Oh, it just went off. Anyway, these look exactly like these. I'm really starting to believe that Earfun and Feel audio is like left Twix and right Twix. So look at that. Also, I can see right now that the Feel CC Pros, they have an infrared sensor. They can detect whether or not they're in your ears. It doesn't look like the Air Pro CVs have that. Let me take this film off of here. I can let these charge for a bit. They look nice. Got a nice like contoured ergonomic shape to them. And they're difficult to take out of the charging case because they're so like compact in there. Let me take this plastic off. Yeah, like I was saying, like Feel and Earfun, I really think they're like the same earbud, just under a different name. Yeah, the magnets are pretty strong. Okay, now let me put it on the case. Alright, it's charging. The LED light on the front here is pulsing red. It was, I don't know, it's not doing anything right now. And okay, there it is. It got like Earfun branding right there. I don't know why they decided to have them where you can see the earbuds like that. If you're somebody who works at like you got like a dirty job, let's say you work like construction or you work for the city, yeah, these are gonna get dusty. These are gonna get dusty real quick. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one in my ear. I also got some Earfun branding right there. You can see that. Hey, listen, look at them. Look, like Phil and Lil. They even got the look right. Although the pins are different because the Phils, they go into the case like this. These lay down flat. Let me see how they fit in the ear. Not bad. Yeah, I can't wait to review these. I've been waiting a long time to get these. Let me take off the tip. See, that's perfect. What that means is I can put the SpinFit 1025s on here and they're gonna fit perfectly. But they fit just like these. Yeah, I'll be reviewing these, the Feel CC Pro, sometime in the near future. But yeah, I'm really gonna be testing these out for probably the rest of the weekend. I don't think I'm probably running out on SpinFit, so I got them on all the earbuds. But yeah, this has been the unboxing of the Earfun Air Pro SV True Wireless Earbuds ANC. Can't wait to try these out and pit them against the other ANC earbuds that I got. So enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next one.